appreciate y'all staying out here during the rain. It means a lot to us. I promise it does. That's right. This is NASCAR, y'all. We wouldn't have a crowd. It's only out here in the redneck country you're going to find a crowd to stick around. We appreciate it. That's right, y'all. It's for the ladies out there. Y'all still awake out there tonight with us in Kanawha Valley? How many of y'all enjoying the beverages, the good food they got out here tonight? Let's keep this thing going. We got everybody going a little bit. Let's keep it going all night so we can't push this rain out of here. Once again, we would like to thank our good friends at Advanced Auto Parts.